In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open shared OneNote in desktop app. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and how to make sure the shared notebook appears and syncs properly on your computer. First, open the OneNote app on your computer. This guide is for the desktop app, not the browser version. If you have more than one OneNote installed, choose the one simply named OneNote, which uses the ribbon across the top. Before you go further, it helps to confirm you're signed in with the account that was granted access to the shared notebook. Using a different personal or work account can prevent the notebook from appearing later. Next, click File at the top left of the OneNote window. This opens the Backstage view where you manage notebooks and settings rather than the page content. If you don't see the ribbon, expand it so you can access the File tab. Now click Open. This shows places you can open notebooks from, such as your cloud storage or organizational account, along with a list of recent notebooks. OneNote will typically display your connected locations first so you can quickly browse notebooks you already have access to. Finally, select and click the shared notebook you want to open. If you see it listed under Recent or under your OneDrive or organizational account, click it once and OneNote will begin opening and syncing the content. If the notebook isn't visible, make sure you're viewing the correct account on the left side of the open screen. You can switch to the account that received the share invitation. After selecting the notebook, give OneNote a moment to sync. Large notebooks or those with many attachments may take a bit longer the first time. Once the notebook loads, you'll see it added to your notebook list on the left. You can drag it to reorder your notebook so it's easy to find next time. If pages appear blank or outdated, wait for the sync to complete. You'll see a syncing icon while it works. If something still looks off, open the file view again and check the sync status under Info to make sure there are no permission or network issues. That's it. Open the app, go to File, choose Open, then select the shared notebook and let it sync. With those steps, you'll have your shared notes ready to edit alongside your team on the desktop app.